Let's get this bread. All right, well, I can't sleep these days, so I wake up at 5 a.m. And this Saturday morning, I decided to use our bread machine for the very first time. Now, this is my boyfriend's book he got as a kid, and he's had this bread machine for a while. And I really wanted to make some bread, and I thought, hey, let's just use it. I have all the ingredients. Why not? In the words of Hilary Duff. So yeah, I was very scared I was going to ruin this. So I've never used a bread machine before, and this cookbook, you would think since it's for kids, it's so easy to understand, but I was just terrified I was going to get the ingredients wrong. And I'm just, baking bread in my robe at 5:30 on a Saturday morning. Here we go. I don't know. And I didn't know how to work the timer because it didn't come with a manual. So I just guessed. So we're making a French bread, and I put it on the lighter version. So it took almost 4 hours essentially. And there she is. That little piece on the bottom left corner, I peeled it off just to make sure it was cooked all the way. So yeah, I was like, I'm scared this thing isn't going to come out. It's going to be a mess. And then I literally just tipped her over and she came right out along with the paddle. I pulled it out and I was like, oh my gosh, the paddle's stuck in there. And I was like, man, I'm about to ruin this bread. It came right out. It was the easiest thing ever. Now, I will say this recipe was, the outer crust was very thick and hard, and I sliced these pieces of bread super thick. And this knife is trash, garbage. I don't know why I use this one. We have a better knife set, but I cut these super, super thick because it was hard to cut. And but it was super good. It smelled fantastic. And I was truly shocked and impressed that it was that easy to use this bread machine. You always have to do a butter bread test. Always. Listen to me. Listen to the reaction. You can see in my shadow I'm dancing a jig because it was that good.
It's a big old piece of bread.
She thick.
She real thick. My lord.
So just built myself a sandwich on this Saturday lunch, and mayo, mustard, turkey, ham, lettuce, cheese, and then I put some banana peppers. Put it in the toaster oven. It was so good. The bread is so thick, as you heard, it's so thick. But it was so good. It was so good. And then this is John doing his sandwich. Yes. Then you can see Wilson like, give me some down there. Give me a piece of turkey. All right, there's the finished product. I will say I will be definitely making bread again for sure, at least once a week now. I want to try different recipes for the machine. So if you have any, let me know. I want to hear all your bread recipes.